hope you are having a great day and ready to start our next project. So we are going to go to makecode.microbit.org. In there you will see your different projects if you didn't clear your history. Now, if you cleared your history and you don't have a Microsoft account, then you're going to lose everything that you have in here. Just a word of caution. So what we are going to do is we're going to start a new project, and we're going to call this new project Rocket Takeoff on Shakecode. And we are going to get rid of the OnStart, and we are going to get rid of the Forever. And we're going to add a different input this time. So we're going to the pink dot that says input, and we are going to grab an on shake. We are simulating how astronauts feel when the rocket takes off. So that's why we're putting the on shake. And we're going to get a basic LED, and we're just going to draw a simple face that kind of shows how you would feel when the rocket takes off. Like, ah, or ah. And so this basically is our code. And then when we shake our LED, so we'll shake it, I'll hit shake here, it will show the unhappy face or the ah face. So that's all there is to that. Well, you have a great day and have fun creating.